Hello guys, today we will see some basic commands in AutoCAD, some basic drawing commands in AutoCAD. First we will see some settings done. First, settings, drafting settings. First is snap mode. Snap mode is indicated by a blue box cursor that snaps to location allowed by the snap mode. Snapping jumps the mouse cursor directly to a desired location like a point or the end of a line when the mouse cursor moves near that location. Grid mode. Grid mode displays a grid of dots or lines on the drawing area which can be used as a reference to help you align and position objects in your drawing. The spacing and appearance of the grid can be adjusted to fit your needs. Polar tracking. When using any drawing command or polar tracking, uh, when using any drawing command, polar tracking allows you to snap the to specify angles with the cursor instead of typing the angles into the command line. This can make your drawing much faster and easier. Object snap. An object snap mode specifies a snap point at an exact location on an object. Object snap specifies running object snaps mode, which remains active until you turn them off. Dynamic input. Press F12 to attempt toggling dynamic input on and off. On the command line in AutoCAD, type dyn mode and set the value to 3. On the command line in AutoCAD, type dyn prompt and set the value to 1. Now we will see some settings. This is the status bar, and this is the ortho mode. Shortcut to ortho mode is F8 on the keyboard. Functional key of keyboard F8 is used for ortho mode. Ortho mode is used for drawing lines in a straight line. That means it can draw a line in a 0 degree or at an angle of 90 degree. Polar mode. This polar tracking is used to draw a line at an angle, any angle we give, and its shortcut key is F10. This is the object snap tracking. Object snap tracking shortcut key is F11. This is used to snap the object. Then object snap shortcut key is F3. This status bar key should be on always. Now we will see some settings like how to set units. For setting units, type in units in command line. Units, enter. Length, decimal. We can use decimal for uh, uh, drawing units in centimeter or meter, and for drawing units in inches, pounds, we use engineering. First we should keep in decimal. Mostly mechanical student keeps decimal. And precision 0, 0.00, decimal degree, degree, minute, second, degrees, decimal degrees, units in mm, millimeters. Okay. So first we will see point command. For drawing point, use shortcut as PO, enter, and draw anywhere. Now this point is seen in a cross, but we can change its style using shortcut PTY, PTY, point type, enter. If we keep this, we will see this point. Okay, this is the single point. Mostly PTY, enter. Mostly this point is been seen by the users. This is the single point. It's not so visible, so we can change it. Dim style, sorry, point style, enter. Okay, then this was the point. Then second command is line, enter. Specify first point and specify for specifying second point. Here in the box it's given the length. We can give length 200, enter, and not enter. You can use ortho mode or press tab button and enter angle as 0 degree, enter. This is the line of length 200. Properties, this is the property box of a line. Line type bilayer, layer is 0 and color is bilayer. In this way we can find out length of line. Now to continue another line. For that, this object snapping snap button should be all the commands in the object snap should be activated. And go to command line. Now you can see this green box. This means that object is being snapped. If we keep off to the object snap, then you can't see object snap at the end point. That means it can't say this is the end point, and because of that our we can't get inaccuracy. We can get inaccuracy. So keep object snap on. So now see they are specifying end point. From that you can draw a straight line or use ortho mode. You can draw a straight line. Now to track this point, go to that point and see the green line is there. This means the point is been tracked. This object tracking has been done. Click over there. To close, we can use shortcut key as CL, enter to close. CL, enter, close. This is how the sketch is being closed. Then we will see circle line command. After line command we can see circle command. Circle command, to draw a circle in top ribbon panel, click on the circle tool. Center radius is the default method of the circle tool. After the center point has been set, the diameter option will appear in the command line. Type in a diameter of 3.73. Press enter to repeat the circle command. Now I will show you how to do it. Delete. Go to circle. There are different types of circles. Now, first I will show you what is polyline. A polyline is an object formed by several line segments. It is an object formed by several line segments. This is called as polyline. Now, if there is a difference between a line and a polyline, if we select any line segment, a line segment gets selected in the line command. I have drawn this sketch using a line command, and now this sketch, if I select any line from this sketch, this whole sketch can be selected. This I have drawn using a polyline command. This is the difference. If I select any line segment, only line segments get selected in the while using line command, and if I select any line segment from to the of the sketch, a whole sketch gets selected in the polyline command. This is the difference between line and polyline. Delete. Now circle. There are different types of circle. Center radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tan radius, tan. For first is center radius. Specify center point of a circle and the radius. Specify radius. This I have drawn using center radius. You can also check the dimension. Center radius. Select object. Dimension 50. Radius 50. Okay. Now I will show you center diameter. Click anywhere and specify the diameter of the circle. Now see dimension, diameter, diameter 50. Okay. Now I will be drawing 2 point circle. Specify first point, specify second point. Like this a circle is drawn. Now 3 point circle. For 3 point we need 3 points on the line on the circles. First point, second point and third point. Like this a circle can be drawn using a 3 point circle. Tan radius. tan 10 radius, a circle gets tangent to first circle, then second circle, and specifying the radius to be 25. A circle is drawn using tan 10 radius. Now if I draw a line, now tan means a circle is tangent to one circle, a line, and another circle. This is tan circle. Now we will move on to arc. There are different types of arc: 3-point, start, center, end, start, center, angle, start, center, length, start, end, angle, start, end, direction, start, end, radius, center, start, end, center, start, angle, center, start, length, and continuous. Now I will be taking some of the arcs. First arc is 3-point arc. 3-point. Specify first point, second point, and third point. Like this, a 3-point arc is can be done. Then it's start center angle. Specify first point, center point, and angle. Give angle of 70. Okay. Another one is start center end. Start center start end. First give center point, specifying the start point of an arc, and then the angle. Now for changing the direction of an arc, hold control key. The direction of the arc can be changed. Then is start end radius. Specify start point, end point, and radius. Give radius 120. Okay. These are some arcs. Then we will see rectangle. First, specify first corner of the point and another corner of the point. This is how rectangle can be drawn, or by using some units we can by using coordinates we can draw first corner we can keep 0, tap 0 at the origin, then length is 20, tap 60, enter. By using coordinates we can give this we can draw a rectangle. Now we will see polygon. polygon we can give number of sides more than 4, more than 3, more than 2. Means I want to say is that we can give number of sides more than 2 for drawing a polygon, like 3 for triangle, 4 for square or a rectangle, 5 for a polygon, and 6 for hexagon. In this way we can draw polygon. I have given 5. Enter. Specify center of the polygon. Specified. There are two types of polygon: inscribed in circle and circumscribed about circle. Inscribed in circle means a polygon is drawn inside the a polygon is drawn inside a circle, and circumscribes about a circle means a polygon is drawn outside a circle. First we will say inscribed in circle. Specify radius of circle, and radius 80. Enter. Now we will see now we will draw a circle with radius, with center and radius 80. In this way a polygon is drawn inside the circle. This is inscribed in circle. Now we will see circumscribed in circle means circumscribed in circle. Now this circle is of radius 80 and the polygon is bigger in size and is about circumscribed about a circle. This is circumscribed about a circle polygon, and this is inscribed in circle polygon. There is a difference between inscribed in circle polygon and circumscribed in about a circle polygon. Now we will see ellipse, center ellipse. Specifying center of the ellipse, radius, giving major axis as 25 and minor axis as 70. Now this is center ellipse. Center and creates an ellipse using a specified center point. Center ellipse. Center an ellipse using a center point, the end point of the first axis and the length of the second axis. You can specify the distance by clicking the location at the desired distance or by entering a value for the length. Now we will say axis end. Axis end ellipse creates an ellipse or an elliptical arc. The first 2 points of the ellipse determines the location and the length of the first axis. The third point determines the distance between the center of the ellipse and the end point of the second axis. That means if I give a major axis as 50, this is my major axis, and minor axis as 70. This is my minor axis. Now both of them look similar, but I have given over here 25 as the major axis. uh, it starts from the center and ends to the focal point, while in another ellipse, axis and ellipse, it starts from the end to end, from start and end of, it does not take center, it starts from end to end. And this is the, I have given 50 as a major axis. Arc. The arc is defined as the smooth curve formed by joining two or more points. The arc of a circle is defined as the portion of the circumference of a circle. Ellipse. Two focal points are encircled by a curve, which is known as the ellipse. Two of the ellipse axes which specify the length and the breadth determines its form. Rectangle. The rectangle command is used to create rectangles in our drawing. There are two methods to draw a rectangle. In the first method, we can create rectangle randomly by specifying the points, and the second method, we can create rectangle by specifying the value, length and width. In this way, today we have seen different settings, drafting settings, how to set units, and line command, drawing tools like line command, circle, arc, ellipse and rectangle. These are the basic drawing tools. Thank you so much.